15-1. Here we go, preparing an unadjusted trial balance and adjusting supplies and prepaid insurance. Some general ledger accounts need to be brought up to date before financial statements are prepared. We've done adjusting entries before. Adjusting entries are used to bring a general ledger account up to date. First step in preparing adjusting entries is to prepare a trial balance. And a trial balance is prepared before adjusting entries are posted, is called an unadjusted trial balance. So here's a unadjusted trial balance. You have the account titles and then your account balances, and then you will have to prove and rule the columns. Also notice here's our who, what, and when. So the company name, what it is, and when it is. So who, what, and when, just like always. And then down at the bottom, you have the a single rule. Each column is totaled, and then a double rule. 4 questions are asked to analyze the adjustment for supplies. And they are, what are the balances of the accounts being adjusted? What should the balances be for these accounts? What must be done to correct the balances? And what adjusting entries are made? So you have to ask yourself those 4 questions. So here's our supplies expense office. We're debiting supplies expense and we're crediting office supplies or supplies office because we've only got supplies left worth $610. And then the supplies expense store, debiting supplies expense, crediting supplies store. So then you can see here is our unadjusted trial balance totals. And then we have our 2 transactions that we just did in the general journal. And then we have our prepaid insurance. So we're debiting insurance expense, crediting prepaid insurance. That's your 15-1. So hopefully you remember our adjusting entries from supplies and prepaid insurance before, so these aren't too tough. So your 15-1 work together will be next.